Alright, this is Never by Mario. Girl, you wanna know what's up? I can truly say that I love you. And we all know that love is not puffed up. So there are things in love that you never do. I would never jump off a building and survive. And if that building were burning up, I'd never leave you inside. I'd probably never live to see 100 years old. And no matter who's around, I'd never treat you cold. I would never lie to you, baby boo. I would never treat you untrue, no, no. They say never, they say never, I say never, I can say I'll never, I will never hurt you.